Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Karuna teaching the course Computer Architecture and Organization. In this video, we are concentrating on memory interleaving. This topic belongs to 5th unit. Memory interleaving, it is a technique for increasing memory accessing speed, or we can say it is a process that makes the system more efficient, fast and reliable. Okay, so let us see how processor copy the data from main memory to cache memory to increase the speed of operation. Okay, so here there are two methods of distribution of words among modules. Those are, first one, consecutive words in a module and consecutive words in a consecutive modules. Okay, memory divided into modules. Processor copy blocks of data from main memory and then paste into cache memory for accessing the data at faster rate while processing the operation. Okay, so in these two ways data can be accessed. Okay, so first one is consecutive words in a module. Next one, consecutive words in consecutive modules. So in this first case, module and addresses in module. Okay, so memory is divided into module. For example, module 0, module 1, module 2 and so on, m power n minus 1 modules. Okay, so each module consists address buffer register and data buffer register. This address buffer register is used to transfer the address to the main memory where the data is to be transferred with the help of address bus. Okay, at that address, whatever the data resides in main memory, that will be transferred to this data buffer register. See, here to address each module, k bits are used. To address the memory location in particular module, we use m bits. So here also consecutive words in consecutive modules. In this case also entire memory is divided into modules. Okay, so each module consists address bus register, data bus register, and also main memory address register contains m bits, k bits. K bits, lower order k bits are used to represent module, and higher order m bits are used to access memory location in that module. Okay, so lower order bits are used to get the module. Higher order bits, those are m bits, are used to get the memory location in that module. Okay, so here also in this case higher order bits. Okay, so higher order bits, k bits are used to get the module. Lower order bits, m bits, are used to get the memory location available in that particular selected module. Okay, so likewise memory locations can be accessed by the processor with the help of k bits and m bits. Consecutive words in a module, consecutive words in consecutive modules. So let us see one by one with examples. Let us take example under memory interleaving. I am taking memory locations from 0 to 15, 16 memory locations. 16 memory locations divided into 4 modules. Okay, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. Okay, so here these are the address bits are used to access the memory. These are the higher bits, these are the lower bits. In first case, what is first case? Consecutive words in a module. Let us see how memory can access words from module. In first case, here processor sends 000 address, then first it will select the zeroth module, module 0. This is module 1. This is module 2. This is module 3. Whenever processor sends 0, 0, 0, 0, okay, then first higher order bits used for selecting the module. Okay, so 0, 0, first 0 module will be selected, and then the data present at the 0, 0. Okay, so 0, 0. These lower order bits are used to get the first memory location. So 0 will be placed on the data bus. Okay, so 0 will be placed on the data bus. Okay, so at that address processor gets the value 0. Okay, next processor sends 00001. Okay, so if processor sends the address 00001, okay, so first higher order bits indicates module. Okay, so then first module will be selected, whatever the data present at 01. Okay, 01 here, 01. Okay, 1 will be placed on the data bus. First higher order bits are same here. If you observe, first higher order bits are all 0, 0. So that means 0 module will be selected at that particular lower order bits. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 will be transferred. Okay, so in this case consecutive words in module, in the accessing of consecutive locations, only one module is involved when block of data is transferred from memory, main memory to cache memory. Okay, so likewise data can be accessed by the processor in case of consecutive words in a module. Okay, so only it can access one module at a time. Okay, this is known as higher order arrangement. This is known as higher order arrangement or higher order interleaving. Okay, higher order arrangement or higher order interleaving. Okay, next coming to the second case, consecutive words in a consecutive modules. Okay, see, it will be reversed. Okay, in this first case only processor can access one module and 4 elements only. That 4 elements will be copied from main memory to cache memory. Okay, coming to the second case, consecutive words in consecutive module. Okay, so here lower order bits are used to represent the module, higher order bits are used to represent the memory location in that selected module. Okay, initially processor sends the address 000. For example, processor sends the address 000. Lower order bits indicates the memory module. Okay, so here where are the lower order bits? 00 and lower order bits 00. Okay, next 00. Next in fourth module 00. So likewise in this case all modules are selected. Okay, so here what is the data available in the first module? 0. Okay, next what is the data available in the second module? 4. Okay, next in this module 12 is available. Okay, so in this module 8 is available. Okay, whenever processor sends this address, okay, so 0, 4, 8, 12. So 4 words 0, 4, 8, 12. Okay, so 4 words can be accessed at a time. Next, processor sends 0001. So higher order bits indicates memory location in that module. Lower order bits are used for selecting the module. So if the module address is 01, where is 01? Here 01. Here whenever processor sends the address 0000, okay, lower order bits are used to select the module. Higher order bits are used to select the memory locations. Okay, so in this first address, whenever this 0000 sent by the processor, then 00, wherever the 00, then that particular module will be selected. Okay, all the 4 modules will be selected, and then at that memory locations, whatever the data resides, those will be placed on the data bus. Those are 0, 4, 8, 12. Next, when processor sends the 0001, okay, so 01 used for selecting the memory module. Okay, so 01, 01, 01, 01. Here all modules are selected. At that particular address, whatever the data present, that will be placed on data bus. Okay, those are 1, 5, 9, 13. Next case 0010. Okay, so 10, whatever the module address 10, then all 4 modules will be selected at that 0001, 01, then particular data will be selected 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14. Next, likewise 0011. Okay, so 11, if the lower order bits are 11, then module 0 and module 1, module 2, 3 selected. Then at that place, with the help of this memory location addresses 3, 7, 11, 15. Here these words up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 words are transferred. If you take, this is 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, so memory takes the time 1 second for transferring the data, okay, data at that address. Okay, here 4 seconds are required to transfer these 4 words. Okay, so in this case, second case, okay, so this is 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. In this 4 seconds, processor can transfer 16 words from main memory to cache memory. Okay, likewise, before going to perform or before going to transfer the data from main memory to cache memory, memory is divided into 4 modules. Okay, so from that main memory modules, data can be accessed by the processor in 2 ways. Okay, so in the first case, consecutive words in a module, and second way is consecutive words in a consecutive module. Okay, so from these 2 ways of accessing the memory, second method is more effective. This is also called as lower order arrangement, because lower order bits are used for selecting the module. Okay, so or we can say lower order interleaving. So this is about interleaving. Thank you. We will meet in next video.